All right, welcome to today's tutorial. We are going to talk about evergreen videos on YouTube, okay? What you should know about creating evergreen videos on YouTube. Because there are things people should know about this street. Because many people think that I can create video for creating sake, but they never talked about the future. One thing I like about evergreen videos is that they stay relevant for years, right? They can stay relevant in the next 5 years. And that is why on this channel I focus more on them. If I have a video like how to use Microsoft Word, how to use Excel, how to use PowerPoint, how to fix your ring light, these are videos that are considered as evergreen because in 5 years to come, in 6 years to come, people are still searching for how to use Microsoft Word documents, how to use Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint. So when you are creating content, think about this. I'm not saying that creating videos like news is not necessary. They give you money, but they give you quick money and dies off after few months. Are you getting it? But when you create evergreen video, they stay green for a long time. Another thing about creating evergreen videos is that they give you lasting money. Yes, I'm a monetized YouTube channel, so I know what I'm saying. The videos I created 2 years ago that are still bringing me money every day, no matter how small, 10 cents, 20 cents, 5 cents. But if it's maybe one of videos that maybe talk about news, you will see that after that day, after that week, it dies off. But because of the relevance of this kind of content, they keep on making waves. They keep on bringing in money. They keep on sustaining the channel. All right. Then another thing about good thing about creating evergreen videos is that it makes you to take your time to rest. Yes, you will not be about rush, rush, rush. Hey, this news is out. Let me just come publish about this news. No, you have time to rest. You create your video, you post it, and you have your own time to rest. Nobody's pushing you. You don't need to be on a rush. All right. So that's another beautiful thing about it. And that is why I would like you, if you're a beginner on this YouTube, please consider creating this kind of content because it will give you time for you to take care of yourself. You're not here to just work, 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 work. We know you work, but you still need to rest, please. Okay? So it's not every time you are sleeping around one, you had that there's one news, you woke up around that same one and start creating content so before others will create their own. Please. I have tried this when I was blogging. At a point, I started publishing news, but I found out that I couldn't do that. I had to get back to my evergreen articles. All right. So focus more on evergreen. Another beautiful thing about evergreen content is that they rank in search engines. Yes. And that's why about 40% of the traffic I get to this my YouTube channel come from Google search, Bing, Yahoo search, and the rest of the search engines, especially Google. All right, because they are searchable videos and they are evergreen. Somebody may be on a web browser on a Google search engine. I'll be like, okay, let me search about how to use OneNote software. All right, it types how to use OneNote because I have a video on YouTube about that. It shows up, even though that video was published a year ago, and the person clicks and go and watch the video. So you're not making money just within YouTube circle, but you still make money from external. It drives traffic to your channel and you make money. It may take time to make money on evergreen videos, but once that making of money starts, it stays long. So, this is my message for you today that there are so many benefits why you need to create evergreen video. All right, as a creator on YouTube, so that you don't get burnt out in the process of creating content. All right, so if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we teach a lot, including YouTube education and tech in general. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know your view on this. Do you think evergreen videos on YouTube is better? or just short-term videos, short live videos, maybe like news that will just come up and just go after a few days. So let me hear your say here. You can watch this video here to learn more about YouTube tips, okay? Thank you. I'll see you some other time.